Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a Carbon.now.sh and VSCode code snippet clone directly in browser. It's a single page application. So where you actually can share your code snippets and directly export this to an image file. So we have, where you can see in this application, we have different themes we can activate similar to VSCode and Carbon.now.sh. And then you can export this to an image file. So once you click the download button, everything will be exported to an image file. So it's really fast application. It directly executes all the code directly in the browser. So here you can change the code here. Whatever code you paste, it will directly come. So if you need the source code of this application, I've given the link. You can directly purchase it. So these are the three files are there. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Each file is customizable. You can add more features on top of this application. We are using some third-party libraries here. HTML to Canvas, Prism, everything for syntax highlighting. So it's similar to Carbon.now.sh and VS Code. So you can even adjust the theme of the window like this. And in the advanced options, you can actually change the language as well from JavaScript. All the major languages are supported right here, you will see. Then you can adjust the color, everything, the font size, padding, everything. So if you need this application, the link is given in the description.